That red light. Push your red button again, it ought to go on pause. It ought to go on pause when you push that red button again.
Well, I had the red button on all the time.
Well, I know it now, but push it and it'll go off of Charlie, it'll go off taking pictures.